Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, your host, and I just want to talk about how landscape can cause a drainage problem. We see it all the time where beautiful landscapes encroach on drain easements. It's not a big deal in our world because we can easily take care of this problem. If you've had landscape recently done and you've noticed that your yard no longer drains the way it used to, just give us a call. We'll come and drain tile your entire backyard. We'll be able to tighten it right up. We'll also take care of the roof runoff. We can put underground downspout systems in along with our drainage systems and evacuate that water from your property. We're a state licensed building company providing professional drainage solutions for homeowners all over southeastern Michigan. If you're having problems with drainage on your property in Michigan, please give us a call, 248-505-3065.